tricks to survive. You and your words flooded my senses. Your sentences left me defenseless. You built me palaces out of paragraphs. You built me cathedrals. I'm reading the letters you wrote me. I'm searching and scanning for answers in every line. Some kind of sign of when you were